Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see advanced hunting in Microsoft 365 Defender, which is like proactively hunt for threats using the advanced hunting in Microsoft Defender XDR or 365 Defender. Now, advanced hunting is a query-based threat hunting tool that lets you explore up to 30 days of raw data. You can proactively inspect events in your network to locate threat indicators and entities. The flexible access to data enables unconstrained hunting for both known and potential threats. Now it has two modes, guided and advanced. Guided mode is available for us if we are not familiar with KQL or prefer the convenience of a query builder. Advanced mode is for you if you are comfortable using KQL queries to create queries from scratch. We can use the same threat hunting queries to build custom detection rules, and these rules can run automatically to check for and then respond to suspended breach activity, misconfigured machines and other findings. To use advanced hunting, you have to turn on Microsoft Defender XDR. How you turn that on? You check the license eligibility, you check the supported services, you onboard to the service, you check your role. You must be global admin, security admin, or security operator, global reader, security reader, some set of permissions. So let me log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, I'm logged on to the portal, and if the service is provisioned, right, you would see the incident management. Under incidents and alerts, you will see the alerts queue, an action center for managing automated investigation and response, as advanced hunting capabilities and threat analytics. Okay, now when you will get the access, right, so advanced hunting can be categorized into two distinct types. It's an event or activity data which populates tables about alerts, security events, system events, and routine assessments. Advanced hunting receives this data almost immediately after the sensors that collect them successfully transmit them to the corresponding cloud services. Or you can get that in the entity data, which populates tables with information about users and devices. Now, if you talk about guided and advanced modes, like I told you earlier, now if you go under hunting on the portal, you click on advanced hunting. Now in the advanced hunting page, two modes are supported, guided mode and advanced mode. Guided is to query using the query builder, and the advanced mode is with the creating queries from scratch using KQL. Okay, if you want to start with guided mode hunting, click on help resources. You have a guided tour for advanced hunting. You have the KQL overview. Okay, or you can do this. Query in builder. When you select this option, query in builder, it opens up the guided mode where you can then construct the query by selecting different components using drop down menus. Okay, you have and if you want to do the advanced hunting, you have to learn the language. You should know the query language or Kusto query language. You can learn it by running the test queries in the environment, and you should know how to use the query results, learn about charts and various ways you can view or export your results, understand the schema, and again follow Microsoft documentation in detail. Now this was related to advanced hunting or advanced mode or the guided mode. You can also generate KQL queries for Copilot for security in advanced hunting. It comes with a query assistant capability in advanced hunting. So if you see query in editor, there is an option which comes which says the Copilot for Security site pan would appear in advanced hunting, which shows you, and you can ask for Copilot about certain situations like write me the Kusto query language query to retrieve all devices that signed in with the last hour. Give me all the devices that signed in with the last hour. It will give you a KQL query that you can use and run the query in your environment. And you can use advanced hunting in the Microsoft Defender portal, so which will allow you to view and query all data from Microsoft Defender XDR. This includes data from various Microsoft security services and Microsoft Sentinel, which includes data from non-Microsoft products in a single platform or from an on-premises as well. So when you connect a workspace by selecting connect a workspace in the top banner in the Microsoft Defender, or you can see the documentation in the Microsoft Defender portal to onboard a workspace. And after you connect to the Microsoft Sentinel workspace and Microsoft Defender XDR Advanced Hunting, we can start querying Microsoft Sentinel data from the Advanced Hunting page. So this is the option I was talking about. Get your SIM and XDR in one place, connect a workspace. Okay, you choose select the Microsoft Sentinel workspace that you would like to connect. After you do it, you can run the advanced hunting queries on the Sentinel data as well. And then you will have a large set of data. Alright, that is this part. And you can take actions on those query results. You can link query results to an incident. And you can track and respond to emerging threats. You can have the endpoint attack notifications. You can collaborate with Microsoft Defender experts for hunting. So this was a brief introduction, or in a nutshell, I wanted to talk about advanced hunting in Microsoft Defender. I hope this was useful for all of you guys. If you still have any queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.